Now we will play clap your hands game. Okay? Clap your hand if it's animal. Chair. Chair. Okay. Cat. Very good. Television. Nasser television animal. Okay, no. Donkey. Cow. Yes. Teacher. No, teacher, not an animal. Okay. Door. Door, not animal. Okay. Rabbit. Yes, very good. Snake. Yes. What? Table.